Hello friends from all over the world. Welcome to our factory. Behind me, this is our reefer machinery. You can see this is our gate. Let's come in. So behind me, this is our office building. And this is our first workshop. And this is our second workshop. Entering our first workshop, safety is key point. So we have to wear in the helmet. You can see here, this is our on-site technical and safety control center. And behind me, this is our ore accessory. You can get ore accessory here. So raw material is most important. It's the foundation of the good quality of the products. So you can see our steel is very thick. They are using the high-strength steel, so make the products are very durable. You can see the steel are making the running plate and running, so this is very strong. Even cannot broken on the running on the rock. So you can see the quality is very good. Behind me, the pontoon, the finished pontoon, they are making the painting, so the painting can be protected in the body, so make it anti-corrosion, and even in the water it will have a long lifetime. And also you can see our workers are polishing on the machine to make it beautiful and feeling very well, making it very smooth. On the right of me, this is our semi-finished products. So if you need this or customize, we can make it within 7 days, so we can ship it very fast. Behind me, these are the finished products. So if you need urgent orders, we can send you right now. These are the Amphibious excavators, so we can make all sizes as your need. So, and you can see the bottom part of the pontoons. The carriage also can have different sizes. So whatever you need, we can make for you, okay? If you need any help, please contact me. I will give you the best service, okay? Hope to see you again.